Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about a Polkadot.USDT trading pair with my customer Seb. What's going on locally here? Let's dive in. We landed and swept that finally this AQ low. So I mark it was my take. We can drop that low because every single time when we leave the AQ lows, one AQ lows, second one, so definitely we get more chances to drop and sweep it, a bounce. Then just hold the line again and build another AQ low and pump it higher. No, because it's like a magnet, you know. So here's under this low, a lot of stop losses. So even if we count, so let's say, I don't know, here is a long position. So if somebody catch the trade here, so at least here we get like 8%. Wow, 8% now. So from that entry, right, so in average, like here, we liquidate the 8%. So imagine with the 10x leverage, it's 80% down. 80% down. It's craziness, right? So they just hunt liquidity. So this is how it works. And imagine a lot of people trade with it at 20x, 25x, 50x, 100x, and we bounce it. So take a look at the reaction. Just a drop, bounce. So sometimes it's fun, right? But for me, it's kind of weird because first moment, why decentralized markets like crypto react so horrible on some tariffs in the current financial system? If we build a blockchain, if we build a new financial system like everybody talking around, why this market reacts so emotionally, or why we crash so much? So what's the point of the tariffs, United States and China to Polkadot? Come on, guys. Everything just not manipulative. Everything just programmed before by some big guys. Because the same guys who people was against, right, previous years, they drive the market. We just follow their steps, and that's it, guys. There's nothing to do with attach, with with innovation, with all of this stuff, guys. We just trade assets, and the Polkadot, it's not a big deal. It's just one of many simple assets for trades. So if this something special, how the chart could looks like this one. So guys, everything okay with the Polkadot, with other tokens. The main take is I hope one day the Polkadot will be not in this list, because recently the Binance made an announcement about here. This is a list of tokens, and the people now vote for that tokens to be delisted from the platform. And I hope one day, I don't know, in 2 years or in 1 year, in that list, we will not see the Polkadot, just in case. And people, you can write in the comments, no, we never will see this, the Polkadot in that list. Guys, the Jasmine. There's a lot of people who believe in Jasmine, the big community, but Zcash. So guys, Polka started delisted. There's a lot of tokens, so pretty good one, but can be delisted at any moment. So this one done. Also, this was a liquidity pool since August 2020. Also market this one. Can we drop lower? Of course we can, guys. Of course we can. Even I don't know, to $2.50, and it's gonna be there. And this one, Indiation accumulation pump model since August 2020. If we check the Indiation accumulation pump model on the Binance, how low we can drop? It's on the Binance. So we can drop to $2.55, $2.42, $2.23, $2.15. So you know how to work with this model, right? I hope not, because I don't see any reason why the Polkadot or any other tokens should crash it down in April, right? I think anyway, sooner or later we will recover back, and the target is, guys, here. So it's just a matter of time when the Polkadot will hit the $11.64 and $12. So it's just a matter of time. With dropped to $2.50 or without, right? So it's the same AQ highs, like here we live the AQ lows. So just a matter of time. What we can't know? We can't know the time. Take a look also at the date range. The date range. So first one here, it was an impulse to the top. We passed like 174 days. After that, we've been in correction 231 days. Got it. After that, from that low, we spent 35 days in pump. Now 126 days in correction. 237, it can be like, I don't know here. Wow, it's end of summer. So yes, we can trade in this chop range here, unfortunately, because everything possible in crypto, but I hope not. But anyway, we can't know the timing, guys. We can't know. Nobody know the timing. If somebody tell you, by end of April, we will be here at, I don't know, at $12 or $10 because of, and some reasons, guys, it's just random stuff. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 months in a row, we are going down. And technically, definitely, we should bounce at least to $5.50 to the monthly gap. There is no other gaps, nothing. So this one is like first trouble area. Next one target, it's a sweep of $12 and the test of this one, $14.19, fulfill of monthly gap. Next one is here, my conservative price target for Polkadot at $32. So I believe Polkadot, I'm not a fan of Polkadot at all, right? I'm not a fan of any tokens because it's just a pure casino. But I believe the Polkadot will be around over than $30. Not sure about a new all-time high, but $30 is it's more than realistic price target for Polkadot. So this is it, guys. So this is the targets. Also, take a look at the order flow, pump. Order flow, we should see the pump at least to close the fulfill, 550, for example, and so with a positive case targets higher. Take a look, ADZ direction, market mode. Here was accumulation, accumulation, and we form a divergence. So imagine, so we form a divergence since October 2023. So here was a 362. Here we passed like 325. It's a huge weekly divergence. Here's accumulation signals. Here's accumulation signals. Market mode, everything okay. Now it's okay time, even the good time to buy. What I don't like here, I don't see any big money inflow. Here was a money inflow, money outflow, and MACD bearish divergence drop. 5 months in a row down. Now no new money inflow. But I hope this week or the next one we will see, because now it's just Thursday, right? So daily, of course, yes, here's some money inflow. Take a look, guys, on trade on daily, sell, take profit, buy, recommendation, close position, buy again. So that's it. Weekly time frame, guys. No take profit from this sale. Here also we didn't see the take profit from sell. We got a like recommendation, close position. So I hope this week we will see some or recommendation close short, or take profit and even the buy signal. I hope, but we will see. And also, guys, take a look. The Polkadot on the weekly, we dump it to the buy line, and for the mount value of this token is $2.98. Of course, it's possible to see, right, that targets. So be careful with some long positions. 12 time frame 287. It's a buy line. For the mount value, it's 214. 12 time frame. Take profit 570, and here we tested a buy line. For the mount value on daily, it's 246. Take profit 657. Exit line 740. So I believe more in reversal move now. Of course, yes, we can't see the chop till end of I don't know, summer, for example. It's possible. But anyway, we can't go down forever, guys. Anyway, we'll see some bounce. And if you made a decision now, invest at $3.60, for example, without a DCA to $2.55, you follow the plan. So at $7.20, you will out at initial deposits. You withdraw initial deposit, and you will be safe. So guys, all targets absolutely still the same, still relevant. So AQL high is going to be like a magnet. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what do you think about Polkadot. Will we drop lower or we go higher from this current prices? If you'd like to trade with my customer what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.